Hi my loves, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a step-by-step beginner friendly makeup tutorial. We are starting with our collagen anti-aging mask. This creates a smooth canvas for your makeup application and helps the product to glide on effortlessly. You allow this sit in your face for some minutes and then you put it out, blend it onto your skin, your neck. Moving next, we are going to do our brows, and I'm using my brow tamer to tame your brows, and I'm going in with my H&A brow gel. I love this brow gel because it makes my brows so seamless. You can choose to use it to sketch the outer part of your brows but an inner part here, but then I decided to use my Davis to fill in the brows. My Davis eye pencil in color 18 to fill in my brows. Yep. So next I'm using my spoolie brush to brush it out, and then I'm going in with my concealer. For the concealer I'm using 2 shades lighter than my skin, and that is HSN 02 for the upper part of my brows. Then for the inner part and the ending part I'm going to go in with my Nuban Beauty Concealer. That is my actual shade. Okay, so I'm going to use that on the upper part of my brows as well. So the next thing is to blend. This is a technique everybody should learn. Blending is key. Can't you see I'm taking my time to blend? You have to take your time to blend and blend. You don't want to see harsh lines on your brows. And the next thing you're going to do is eyeshadow primer, and I'm using my Adventure eyeshadow primer. I've been using this for a very long time. It's a very nice primer and it blends so even. It doesn't produce patches and all that. So as you can see I'm using my hand to blend, and you have to again blend with your powder. I'm using my Zikel powder. And the next I'm going in with my Blossom Makeup eyeshadow palette. Of course I love this eyeshadow because it is so pigmented. On the upper part of my crease I'm using the shade Chisholm. Then on the inner corner of my eye I'm using the shade Cheesy. Again blend. Then I'll be going in with my eyeliner gel from Adventure. Again I love this because to me I think it's waterproof gel and it's very nice. It lasts very well. Okay, so I'm using that at the inner part of my eye. Of course it's so easy to use, but again you have to be very careful, especially when you are dealing with your eyes. Okay, so the next one I'm going to line my inner eye on the eye. Yeah, so I'm lining my under eye. So guys, during the course of this editing I realized that I didn't add a clip of where I was priming my face, so I just added it here. I use my Rimmel primer to prime my face. Okay, the next on the list is our foundation, and yeah, I'm using my Zikel Foundation. I love this foundation because of the way it suits my skin. You can either blend with your brush or use a beauty blender. As for me, I spread with my brush at first and I'll later go in with my beauty blender. As you're spreading your foundation, try as much as possible to get your hairlines, get your cheeks, your neck, everywhere possible, get them, even your ear, get everything. Okay, so your skin will blend evenly, if that makes sense. Okay, so just like I said, after using your brush you can decide to go in with your beauty blender to smoothen the whole thing. Okay, for the highlighter I'm using my Blossom. Again it's a concealer. Yes, it's 2 shades lighter than my skin. Yes, again you can use 2 shades lighter than your skin, but if you feel your foundation is way too brighter than your skin, then you can use a shade lighter than your skin tone. Okay, I hope you guys understand that. But yeah, I'm using both the 2 shades lighter than my skin and then the Nuban, which is my skin tone, so just blend everything in. And again you guys, you have to learn the technique of blending because there is no seamless makeup without a proper blending. For my contour, I am using my L'Oreal foundation. Yes, it's a foundation, but then I have a very dark shade, so I decided to use it as my contour for today. Okay, so remember, you're contouring your cheekbones, you're contouring your hairline, like your forehead, basically you're contouring your nose, basically the areas you're seeing me contour. Okay, so again, you have to blend. I'm sure you're not seeing any harsh line on my face, okay, because I take my time to blend. That is the secret of a seamless makeup. So up next, we have to add some color to our beautiful face. Okay, so I'm using my BH Cosmetics, and you have to blend the blush so that you don't have harsh lines. So the next on our list is setting powder, and I'm using Avour Cosmetics setting powder in the shade 00. Again, this powder blends so well, like it literally blends into your skin so well. You don't even need to leave it for long. So for my lips, I am going in with my David's eye pencil to line my lips. Yes, I love this eye pencil so much because it's a multi-purpose eye pencil for me. So after lining my lips, I'll go in with my concealer again. I'm using Blossom. But trust me guys, that step can be skipped. And I'm going in with the iMagic lip palette. I'm using the nude, of course. Then I feel this is way too bright, so I'm trying to like kind of tone it down with white, and I ended up shining white basically. So I'm going to like tone that down by using the brown shade in the palette. Yes, so I guess it's coming along right now. Okay, so yeah, basically anytime your own puffs out too much, just try as much as possible to use the brown shade, okay, to tone it down. Then again, I'm using my mascara. This is a 2-in-1 mascara. It has both the eyeliner gel and the mascara. Okay, so I'm going to like, you know, blend everything using my Zikel powder, compact powder. Again, I'm blending everywhere, my neck, my head, my, you know, everywhere. Okay, so I'm going in with a smaller brush just so I'll be able to blend the inner part of my eyes, under eye, very well, if that makes sense. Okay, so you blend. We are getting there, don't worry. Okay, so guys, just blend. Okay, so I went ahead to fix my lashes. Yes, I'm using mink lashes from Sarah and Oliver. Okay, and it's quite affordable. Okay, so yeah, guys, it would be nice if you ignore my mirror. Okay, so we are getting there. Then to add some glow, of course, we are using Yanga glow in the shade O'Shea. Okay, so guys, this makeup is really turning out great. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling myself at this point. When I was looking at myself on the mirror, I'm like, God, who is this build? You get, so just try and follow the step by step tutorial, and I'm sure that you'll get yours even better than I did. Okay, so yeah, I think that's basically it. So we have to like line. Of course, we can't do without lip gloss. I can't do without lip gloss. Okay, so you know, and it adds a different look entirely. And here we are. Pretty done. Okay, they no fine rich like this, permits me to say that. Okay, so that's pretty it, guys. That's the full look. You can go ahead to set your face, but you know I'm not going anywhere, so what's the point? Yeah, so basically set your face and you're done. Okay, all right, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. please kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.